TCS Elevate Wings 1 November 2025 Super latest updates. Hello friends, welcome back to Smart Tech Study. So in this video we are discussing amazing latest updates. So first question, when will Wings 1 November 2025 results will come? So I'm getting lot of pings in YouTube video comments and Telegram channel. So where I can check exam results. And third question, when will dashboard will update? And the last question, what is the pass or distinction criteria? So first one, when will Wings 1 November 2025 result will come? So result will come second or third week of next year, January 2026. And next one, where I can check tech MCQ results. So MCQ results are already released. So even most people are asking me, if you are passed in MCQ test, you will get MCQ mail. And who have written exam on next Saturday, so prepare well. And next question, when will dashboard will update? So dashboard, this kind of dashboard will update and post the result came. The dashboard will be updated. Tech and non-tech track result declaration, then only the dashboard will be updated. So where I can check exam results. So you can check your exam results on iWall platform, and for non-technical, which is articulation business skill 1 or 2 and process, everything, each and everything you can check in the iWall platform only. So what happens if I clear Wings 1 exam? So if you clear the Wings 1 exam, you will get the revised compensation letter. Now the question is, how much hike you can expect? So expected hike according to experience for the digital and innovator milestones. So freshers 0 to 1 year experience, if you clear digital, then your CTC will be 7 plus LPA, and if you crack the innovator, then you will get 9 LPA. For 1 to 2 years of experience, digital candidate will get 7.58 LPA plus, and innovator candidate will get 9.58 plus LPA. So 2 to 3 years of candidate get 8 plus LPA in digital, 10.5 plus LPA in innovator, and finally 3 to 5 plus years of experience candidate will get 8.5 to 8.8 LPA in digital, 11 to 12 LPA in innovator cadres. So now we are discussing FAQs, frequently asked questions, or your comments and my answers. So Vikas is asking, I have more than 4 years of experience and having Ninja package. Am I eligible for this Wings 1 exam? So hello Vikas, if you have C1 grade, then you are eligible for the Wings 1 digital program. Next question asked by Sumit Raj. Hi, my current Wings 1 status is articulation and track 2 both distinction. Okay, superb. So I have given tech tracks for both the track 1 and track 2 in this November cycle. What will happen if I get distinction in track 2 tech track? So as per your comment, you have cleared the articulation, which is a prerequisite, and track 2, okay, which is like a step 2. So for better understanding, if you have done articulation and in track 2 you have done the core full stack, so in this November cycle you are again completing the core full stack. If you get a minimum pass in this cycle, any one of your core full stacks, then you will get digital cadre. So pass is considered for the core full stack. So one of the person asking, I did not get distinction in business skill only. I want to add external certificate in track 2 for November cycle, but I am unable to find my unit TD in list available for external certificate. I belong to CI unit, which is like cloud infrastructure. Can you help with this please? Yeah, sure. You can go to this Topman. I will give this link in the description and book a session with me with 99 rupees. So in this 25 to 30 minutes, I will guide you how to reach out the unit TD and other essential details in order to crack the Wings 1 digital. So another question, if I join 25th of this month, will I eligible for November cycle? Please reply. So yes, for more updates, let's connect with me here on TopMat. So for Wings 1, I have shared you playlist. You can go through that. So anyone candidate joined on this August, September, then they will get a 9% chance of Wings 1 examination happen. So what you have to do, fill the registration form and let Wings 1 team decide you. Most probably you will get the exam. And another important question asked by Priyadarshani, I am C1 grade with 10 LPA lateral height. How much I can expect if I clear November Wings 1? So maximum your current CTC plus 1.5 to 3 LPA. So in this case you will get the 11.5 to 13 lakhs package. So other 3 most important questions asked by Harshit. I am lateral entry. I have CTC more than digital CTC. Wow, amazing. I cracked digital. Well, now what will be increased compensation? Will I get increment? So as we replied to the Priyadarshini, so you will also get 1.5 to 3 LPA plus your CTC. And another question, Senapati Pawan Kumar asking, I joined TCS with 2 years of experience as a system engineer C1 in August 2025. Am I eligible for Wings 1? Yes, you are eligible for Wings 1 in November 2025 cycle. And the last question, do we have to clear business skill non-tech track with distinction or just pass is okay? So pass is okay for articulation. You will need to get a business skill with distinction mandatory. So if you are preparing for Wings 1 November Digital, I will give you one small glimpse in this video, and within this week in our next video, I will give you full roadmap how to get digital and innovator milestones. So if you are smart or ninja, then your Wings 1 journey start. For that, you need to clear the articulation minimum pass and domain learning IOL completion. Domain learning course should be completed in IOL. After that, you need to, in track 1, you need to get the core full stack distinction, and in track 2, either you can get the core core full stack pass or distinction, or core non-tech distinction, which is in process business skill, and you can choose the elective distinction either in internal or external certification. So if you are planning for innovator and you have joined as digital, or you have get the digital and for planning for innovator, then you need to complete all these exams, so which is articulation distinction, process distinction, business distinction, and core programming, core full stack distinction, and finally you need to give innovator coding challenge. Then you are eligible for innovator milestone. So if you have any Wings 1 related queries or doubts, you can book a session with the 99 rupees plan. And if you are serious about May Wings 1 2026, then choose this plan. This is for 3 months coaching. Actually 3 months of coaching is enough for you to clear the Wings 1 digital or innovator. And also if you require 1 month coaching, you can get this back, and if you need only materials, then purchase this one. So Wings 1 related complete coaching for 6 months. This is a complete 6 months coaching, 2618 with EMI also available. So whole 6 months from this month to up to exam, you will get full hands-on coaching. So everything, my personal number is also given to you. And if you have any other career related doubts or queries, you can book a session with me. So this link I will give you in the description. Check out this link, I will give you in the description. So this is all about Wings 1 super new latest updates. We shall meet in another super latest video. Until then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.